Today I am reviewing the DREAME H15 Pro Heat Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The DREAME H15 Pro Heat Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a cutting-edge cleaning solution designed to combine the power of a vacuum, mop, and heated water cleaning system into a single, versatile, and highly efficient device. For anyone who wants a deep, thorough, and effortless clean on a variety of floor surfaces, this cordless wet-dry vacuum is engineered to tackle stubborn dirt, pet hair, and messes with smart automation, high-temperature cleaning, and AI-powered technology. One of the standout features of the H15 Pro Heat is its 185 degrees Fahrenheit fresh hot water cleaning system. Unlike traditional vacuums, this system heats the water in the brush to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to dissolve grime and sanitize floors effectively. Combined with its unique water outlet design, the device provides 360-degree rinsing of the brush, ensuring that each pass leaves the floor spotless. The vacuum also incorporates TangleCut resilient scraper technology, which prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, eliminating interruptions and providing uninterrupted cleaning performance. This is particularly useful for pet owners or households with long-haired residents. The triple-edge cleaning system powered by the GapFree AI robotic arm ensures that the vacuum can clean from corner to corner without missing areas. With dual-edge brushes and zero-gap technology, even the most stubborn dirt in edges, corners, and tight spaces is picked up efficiently. Traditional vacuums often leave residue along walls or edges, but the H15 Pro Heat addresses this with precision-engineered brushes that maintain full contact with the floor. Navigation and maneuverability are another area where this vacuum excels. The glide wheel power system combined with 180 degrees lie-flat auto cleaning allows the vacuum to move across tricky areas hands-free. Users can also control the vacuum remotely via the app, making it easy to reach under furniture, tight corners, and hard-to-access areas. This smart navigation ensures that you don't have to bend, push, or manually direct the vacuum for maximum coverage. In addition to precision cleaning, the H15 Pro Heat delivers impressive suction power. With 22,000 pascal suction, it effortlessly lifts dirt, debris, and even ground-in stains from carpets, hard floors, and tiles. The heated water mode further enhances cleaning performance by soaking away sticky messes and stubborn grime. Users can choose between hot water mode, which offers up to 20 minutes of deep cleaning, and quiet mode, which allows up to 72 minutes of gentle yet thorough cleaning without disturbing others in the home. The vacuum also includes an intelligent RGB detection system that automatically adjusts cleaning intensity based on the level of grime. This ensures that highly soiled areas receive extra attention while cleaner surfaces are treated gently. The system also powers the self-cleaning mode, which heats the brush to 212 degrees Fahrenheit to remove dirt effectively and maintain optimal performance. This automated cleaning saves time and reduces manual maintenance, keeping the brush ready for subsequent use. For convenience and quick turnover, the H15 Pro Heat offers AI smart drying technology. After cleaning, the vacuum can dry the brush using 194 degrees Fahrenheit hot air in just 5 minutes, ensuring it's ready for the next cleaning session without waiting hours for it to dry naturally. This smart drying system also prevents microbial growth and prolongs the lifespan of the vacuum. The H15 Pro Heat's cordless design makes it highly versatile and easy to move around the house. It combines wet and dry cleaning capabilities in one device, allowing it to clean everything from kitchen spills to pet hair on carpets, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. With 6 accessories included, users can customize their cleaning routine for different surfaces and mess types. Overall, the DREAME H15 Pro Heat Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner represents a significant advancement in home cleaning technology. By combining heated water floor cleaning, high suction power, AI navigation, tangle-free brushes, and smart self-cleaning and drying, it offers an all-in-one solution for efficient, hygienic, and effortless cleaning. Whether you are tackling everyday dirt, pet hair, or tough stains, this vacuum provides a powerful and convenient way to maintain a spotless home. For anyone seeking a state-of-the-art cordless vacuum mop that delivers deep cleaning, smart automation, and convenience, the DREAME H15 Pro Heat is a game-changer. It reduces manual labor, saves time, and ensures every corner of your home is clean to perfection, making it an essential tool for modern households.